Okay, in this guide we're going to talk you through how to install Foundation right from the beginning, where we install Mediawiki. The installation I'm doing now is actually on XAMPP, but the rules are pretty much the same. If you're going to be installing it on a live server, there's no difference really. First of all, we need to download a copy of Mediawiki, which I've got in here already. We need to place it in the root folder of your server and extract. Then we need to move everything from the Mediawiki folder into the root folder. You can do that easy by just selecting the top one, then shift, which gets all of them. You can delete this now because it's empty. So now we go on to local settings, download local settings, and then we want to move this into our root folder. Awesome. So now we can enter our wiki. That's the easy part done, so now we want to get Foundation working on it now. So into extensions and extract. Right, so this is where the guide changes a little bit. If you're installing Foundation on a live server, then you can skip this bit, but if you're installing on XAMPP or WAMP or one of the other PC based servers, then you need to do something slightly different. So we'll do that first. You need to go into extensions, Foundation extensions, and move both of these files to the root extensions folder. So go back in there, and we need to edit Foundation settings. We need to take these two out of here copy them and delete them. Then we need to go back to the root and then add that to the bottom of the file here. Okay, so that's the only difference. Now if you're doing it on a PC based server, that's all you need to do. And everything else from now on will be the same. If you're installing on a live server, you can ignore that. So now all we need to do now is add this line here. This is on installation guide, to local settings, save, and then basically you just to control shift R to refresh. There you are, bingo, done.